from?
Mama's Jill.
Oh yeah? What do you think you got?
Oh no.
Let's see what's in there. Is it exciting? Don't rip it. Don't rip it. It's a sign. Wait. Don't rip the sign. Oh, look it. It's a sign.
What's on there?
It's, can you read me the letters?
E-R-E-N-N-A-N apple.
Apple. It says, look, let me read it to you. It says, good job, Brennan. Love, Mama's Jill. Do you know why she's telling you did a good job?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh no.
What do you do on the potty by yourself now?
Oh no.
What do you put in the potty?
Poop.
And?
And pee.
Yeah, you do it all by yourself?
This horsey right
Okay, let's see. She wrote you a
one.
card too. It says, if I were in a perfect world, if it were a perfect world, I could stretch my arms all the way to where you are and give you a great big hug.
I see.
Aww. And it says, of course, if the world were perfect, we wouldn't be apart in the first place. I miss you.
I got some cars.
Oh, you got nice cars.
It's kind of card.
Do you want me to read you the card?
This kind of card.
Aww.
What is this kind of card?
Let me see, what kind is it? How many cars did you get? They're so fancy. Oh, you got some wrapping stuck to you. Let me see these cars. Cool.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom. What would you say to Mama's Jill if she was here? Would you say thank you?
I pressed it.
Could you say thank you?
I pressed this one with this card.
Hey, can you look at the camera and say thank you, Mama's Jill,
Thank you, Mama Jill.
for my cars and my sign?
Thank you for my son, for my cars.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Do you miss her?
Yeah.
Can you say I miss you?
I will miss you. It's racing.
You're
I'm
racing.
racing.
You're racing the cars?
I'm lining them.
Oh, okay, line them up.
What is this kind of car? This green one. Hmm.
You say bye-bye, Mama's Jill.
Bye, Mama Jill. Bye.
Can you show her one more thing on your faces?
Yeah.
You show me a happy face? Can you show me sad face? No, sad. Look at the camera though, sad. How about mad? Show me the mad face at the camera. To the camera. Mad. And what about goofy face?
Hello, silly face.
Silly face.
Pop.
How about mad face one more time at the camera? Mad. How do you look mad? At the camera, look at the camera and look mad. Mad, mad. Get real mad. Look at the camera and get mad.